all right, I'm gonna role play here. I'm a level 1 trainer. I mean, I just came off the CrossFit level 1 seminar, and I want to start training, and I've got a buddy who's, you know, is a good friend, and we've worked out in the past, and I want to start training, but he squats like crap. What do I do? Like, I want him to do some workouts, but I also want him to fix his movement. How do I balance those contrary needs?
I don't have good answers there, and I also don't think that the training art and skill lies in having necessarily better answers to the problems that challenge all coaches. I think that what is needed is not better technical knowledge, but appreciation and attitude and a sense of fun and enjoyment and just a celebration, the whole spirit of ardor and exertion, achievement. You know, it should be more like a birthday party than a physics class. And I think that's better for business, and I think the results are at least as good that way. And the desire to get too deep into the nuance of the movements is startlingly the exclusive province of the folks that got no clients and are writing books and on the internet, and you know, but you go and visit them in their gyms and the gym's empty. You know, I mean, what's going on here? But they'll argue about where the shoulder should be in relation to the bar, like it's religion. You know, well, none of that matters. Not to the success of your gym. And
right. So
and I get hit with that kind of nuanced stuff all the time. And I know you're on the wrong track when a guy waits in line comes in and he goes, "Hey, coach, I got this lady," and I'm like, already, what? That's not what matters.
Right.
No.
Let me see if we can reconcile this, because we've just spent a whole bunch of time kind of digging into the nuances of the movement. And we both have an appreciation for
the
movement.
My perspective is I want people to understand the movement CrossFit is about these movements.
Right.
And the extent to which you have to auger in on them to get bigger lifts, bigger times, may not be what people think.
Elaborate on that.
The people that have studied these movements put the most horsepower into thinking about these movements are not the ones that are having the most fun training or generating the best results. I don't think. I'm part of the group of family globally that teaches their people how to squat and how to deadlift, and where we see faults, we fix them. What my affiliates need, what trainers need, is more experience, more clients.
More okay.
And you're going to develop your own methodology for dealing with nuances. And it might be that in Vancouver, you know, hey, you now in the Lululemon class, you have to do yoga for 3 months and come back. I don't know what the answer is, but it's going to be. I think the solutions will be individual.